Yeah. So a lot of people say, hey, why can't I just detox at home? Well, you can, okay, but there's different kinds of detoxes. And then the question becomes, what are you trying to detox out of your body? What's going on in your body? Okay, is it heavy metals? Is it parasites? Is it bacteria? A candida? What is going on in your body? Because that's going to determine what protocols we're going to use to get the toxicity out. So you might say, hey, I'm going to just stay home and I'm going to do a water fast for 5 days. That's going to be good for you, no doubt, but you're much, especially when it just comes to just drinking water, it's better to have a doctor kind of supervising that with you, which is what we offer. And more importantly, check your vitals every day is what we do. And also identify what we're trying to solve. You know, most people have heavy metal poisoning and they don't know it. Most people are dealing with candida, they don't even know it. Most people have parasites and all that kind of stuff and mucoid plaque. These are things that we need to get out of your body, but you don't even know about it. So one thing you're going to do is get a lot of education. You're going to learn why we do what we do, because then it will give you more power and more motivation and more inspiration to do it.